In this video, I'm going to quickly go over how to add captions to your video. So right now on this, I have documentation from a sculpture / performance piece that was a data recording piece that recorded the texture of a landscape. And I have a series of text. I have a piece of text that I want to include as the captions of my film, just to give it a little bit more context. So what I'm going to do is come back to my project window and go to the new button on the bottom and select captions. And inside here, by default, I think it pops up looking like this. You want to make sure you choose open captions. These will stay on your screen the entire time that you're actually showing your video. And the video settings should be set to whatever your sequence is here. It should happen automatically. Then you say OK, creates a new open captions for you. And in order to see them activated, drag them onto your timeline. And you want them above your video. So that way, because remember, whatever happens on top is whatever you see first. So here, you can see that there's a small little black box down here that when the timeline is on it, and the blue playhead is over it, we'll see it. And then when it's not there anymore. You can click and drag this out to make these longer or shorter. And to see this and change it, you can double click on it here. And I'm going to go back to my text, copy this, paste it in here. And you'll notice right now that this is going way off the screen. So what I can do is go to the point that I want it to go to the next line and hit enter inside here. And so now this is going to the next line. If I want it to be centered, I can hit center. And if I wanted to change the type, select all of the text inside of it, and I could choose another typeface. I could increase the size a little bit, and that might work. That might be totally fine. If you did want to get rid of the background, you select this background color box, and instead of it being like in Illustrator where there's a slash, you can put it to 0. But in this case, it doesn't really work because it totally loses the how being able to see the screen or the text itself. So I'm going to bring that back up. If you want to put this in different parts of the screen, there are these boxes here that allow you to position it inside here. So if you want it in the very center, you could put it in the center one, but I'm going to go down and keep it at the bottom. And I think that totally works. That's enough. And so I would keep this on the screen for as long as I need. So if I play it forward, keep going, and that might be enough time. And then I can add in one more caption, go back to my other screen, Command C, Command V, and notice that this one's pretty short. And I can grab this edge here and stretch it out to where I need. And same thing where I have to hit enter inside of here to get it to go on the next line. It looks like there's an extra line at the end, so make sure that's deleted. And that would work. And when it's exported, it'll be exported with these captions.